Welcome to today's review of the Kia K5, a midsize sedan that blends style, performance, and affordability. If you're looking for a car that stands out with aggressive design, modern technology, and a comfortable driving experience, stay tuned as we dive into all the details. The Kia K5 is the successor to the Kia Optima, introduced to redefine the sedan market with a sportier appeal. It features a bold front fascia, a tiger nose grille, and sleek LED lighting, giving it a striking road presence. The fastback-style roofline enhances aerodynamics and adds a premium touch to the vehicle. The car is available in multiple trims, each offering unique styling cues, such as different wheel designs, blacked-out accents, and chrome finishes. Under the hood, the Kia K5 offers two engine options. The base model comes with a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 180 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup ensures smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption, making it a great choice for daily commuting. For those seeking a more exhilarating ride, the GT trim features a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, allowing for rapid gear shifts and a thrilling driving experience. The GT model also includes a sport-tuned suspension and larger brakes, enhancing handling and responsiveness on the road. The available all-wheel drive system ensures better traction and stability, making it a reliable option for various weather conditions. Inside, the Kia K5 offers a well-crafted cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. The driver-focused cockpit features an available 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The higher trims include a Bose premium audio system, enhancing the overall entertainment experience. The interior design is modern, with soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and available leather-trimmed seats that provide excellent comfort. The spacious rear seats ensure passengers have ample legroom, making long journeys more enjoyable. Dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and ventilated front seats add to the luxury and convenience of the cabin. When it comes to safety, the Kia K5 is equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. The robust safety structure and airbags provide additional protection, ensuring peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Pricing for the Kia K5 varies depending on the trim level and additional features. The base LX model starts at approximately $25,000, offering excellent value for money. The LXS and GT line trims provide more technology and style enhancements, with prices ranging from $27,000 to $30,000. The fully loaded X trim, featuring luxurious amenities, is priced around $32,000. For those seeking ultimate performance, the GT model starts at approximately $35,000, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts who want a sporty yet practical sedan. The Kia K5 is a well-rounded vehicle that combines stylish design, strong performance, and modern technology at an affordable price. Whether you're looking for a comfortable commuter car or a sporty sedan,